Alright, so what's good YouTube man? It's your boy BoyFX here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I want to talk about why is it so important for us to start accepting losses when it comes on to day trading, right? I feel like a lot of persons have like a misconception, as to, you know, yeah, a lot of persons think things that you're supposed to win every single trade when really and truly that's just not the case. Losing is a part of the game. You have to lose. You have to experience losses. I mean, I know it's going to hurt. I know it's going to hurt to lose your money, but that is literally a part of the game. Um, there's no possible way you could just win every single time. That's not how it works, right? And I mean, how, so if I'm going to say, well, how can you learn how to accept losses? Really and truly, you really just have to play trades and get that experience in because I mean in my journey at first losing definitely sucks, especially when you're not profitable, especially when you're not, yeah, especially when you're not profitable. Losing is definitely gonna suck. You're not going to like to lose because I mean who likes to lose? No one likes to lose, right? And maybe there's going to be days where losing is going to cause you to be sad, and it's definitely going to affect your, I guess, your personality, if that makes sense, because I mean when I was trading, bro, and I had losing days and I had to go to work regardless. That shit was hard. Like it was hard. I was depressed, I was sad, and I still had to literally go to work same way and, do what I have to do. So I know the journey is going to be hard, but I guess like the raw truth that I can tell you guys is you have to just tough it out and go through the journey. Really, like there's no real advice I can give because you have if you're going to think to really take up day trading or try to become a profitable day trader, um if you're really serious about this journey, you're not going to quit. And I think that's what it really boils down to. Are you going to quit? I mean, if you quit, you quit. But I feel like day trading is really not for everyone at the same time. I feel like if day trading is really for you, you're not going to quit regardless if you're experiencing losses. Right? If you're experiencing losing trades, you're not going to quit because when I was experiencing losing trades, when I was depressed, when I was sad trading on a daily basis, losing, having unprofitable weeks, multiple unprofitable weeks, like that shit hurt. Like, I was literally depressed. I was sad, I was pissed, I had anxiety attacks, I couldn't sleep. It was literally hell. But I think that's what really separate the profitable day traders from the loot are the persons who, because they say like 99% of traders fail, right? And that is really, really true. Day trading is a really hard journey, and I feel like a lot of persons really underestimate how hard this journey really, really is. If you're not strong, if you're not mentally strong, if you're not built different, this is really not for you. You get what I'm saying? It's going to be a long, hard journey, but really and truly, it's worth it, bro. Um, it's 100% worth it. You know, this is one of the industries that can really change your life, right? It really, really can. And you just got to trust in the process. Like, right? You have to really just tell yourself that, hey, this is what I'm going to dedicate my life to. And of course, you don't know what's going to happen, but who cares? No one cares. If you want to change your life, you have to, run that risk of pursuing something that may be uncertain, right? Because I mean, there's not going to be someone there to, I guess, pat you on the back and motivate you. Like you're going to have to be your own motivator, really. You're gonna have to push yourself. You're gonna have to motivate yourself. You're gonna have to be the one to get up in the mornings and place those trades. All right. So my advice is don't quit. Like it doesn't matter what you experience, bro. It doesn't matter how hard this journey becomes. Just do not quit, bro. Trust in the journey, and eventually you're going to become that kind of trader where losing is not going to affect you, bro. I tell you, bro, like as I said, when I was experiencing losses, I did eventually reach a point where a loss don't phase me. It's like, okay, I lose a trade, fine, I'll come back the next day and place a trade. Because I understand that losing is a part of the game. Like you see trading, I mean, if you've really been doing your research, if you really, or if you're new, I understand. But for the persons who've been, in the day trading journey, and you're going to see a lot of persons talk about it, bro. Bro, the psychological aspect of day trading is real. Your mentality, the way how you approach the charts, your mindset is the most important thing. The way how you perceive trading is the most important thing. Stop trying to always win your trades. Stop trying to tell yourself, or stop trying to find that strategy where you think it's going to give you the opportunity to win every trade. No profitable day trader have a strategy that has a 99 or 100% win rate. None, right? My strategy, I win 74, 73% of my trades. So that means I win majority of my trades, but at the same time, I lose trades. What I've learned to do to stay profitable is to keep my losses small and keep my win big. All right, so the losses that I have, I try to make sure that it's small as possible, but when I win, I'm trying to win as big as possible. So I'm not going to say I'm not over trading because that's different. All right, I'm not over trading. I'm not placing multiple trades after having a losing trade. No, but when I do find myself in a winning trade, I try to hold that trade for as long as possible, right? I mean, if you guys, I've said this before, I go for one-to-ones, but I always try to leave a runner, right? So I'll get a one-to-one, secure some profits, then leave a runner to get additional profits to cover the losses that I already experienced or that I already had. Or like let's say I lose a trade yesterday. And the next day, let's say okay, Monday I come to the charts, I lose, right? Let's say Tuesday I come back to the charts. I find myself in a winning trade, right? Go for one to one. When price hit that one to one, I close profits and I leave a runner to make back the losses that I had and plus extra money. That's how you stay profitable, right? So, as I said, the best advice that I have for anyone to get used to losses is keep showing up. Don't quit, don't give in. And I promise you, bro, you're going to get used to losses and you're going to figure out how to stay profitable while experiencing losses. Now, I wanted to explain that because Friday, which was pretty much the last trading day for me, I did experience a loss trading USD JPY. Took a supply trade here, and it's crazy how, as you can see, I got stopped out, and that's going to happen. And I got stopped out, and price literally went in my direction after stopping me out, and that's fine. Price is going to do that sometime, right? Because I entered right here. If you can look properly, I entered the trade right on this breaker candle here. Let me just remove this real quick. I entered right there at this breaker candle. As you can see, price did go in my direction there a little bit, and then it actually reversed and hit stop loss. And that's going to happen, bro. And I just literally call it a day because um overall for the week I had two losses for the week and I think like three wins. But because as I said I'm keeping my losses small but keeping my wins big, my wins my winners my winning trade big, I'm profitable. And that's just literally it. And had the loss and I called it a day because I'm already up for the week. I didn't want to take an extra trade and further put myself in drawdown. All right, so yeah, that's really it. I mean, and it was a beautiful trade too. As you can see, we did go with the trend. The overall trend was on a downtrend. That's why I ended up taking a sell there. If you go on a daily time frame, uh, daily time frame, as you can see, the market was in an overall downtrend. Did reverse a little bit there, but as you can see, there was some gaps to be filled right there and stuff. So yeah, that was pretty much the reason why I took that sell there. But yeah, I think that's really just it. Right. I really just wanted to give some, some advice with this concern to losses. Yeah. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Guys, I'm gonna be as I mean, I know you guys been seeing that I've been extremely consistent with the uploads, bro. It's going to be like this. I'm gonna always be uploading videos. So if this is a channel that you like, if you like the videos, bro, subscribe, stick around because I'm gonna keep dropping bangers. Definitely trying to help some persons change their life, bro, because I know the opportunities out here are scarce, but day trading is that opportunity, bro, that can change your life. I promise, man. Just lock in, stay disciplined, stay focused, and I promise you, bro, you're gonna get it back. That's it for the video. Peace and love. I'm out.